What if your next camping trip could be easier, smarter, and far more comfortable without spending a fortune? From innovative shelters and multifunctional survival tools to portable power, smart lighting, water filtration, and clever cooking gear, camping technology is evolving faster than ever. And trust me, some of the inventions in this video will amaze you because you've probably never seen anything like them before. These aren't just ordinary camping accessories. They're clever solutions designed to make outdoor adventures more convenient, compact, and enjoyable. So today, we're checking out 20 cheap next-level camping inventions that you'll want to know about. Some are surprisingly simple, some are incredibly clever, and a few might completely change the way you think about camping. So let's jump straight into Number 1. Aerotent. The AeroGoGo Aerotent takes the hassle out of camping with an innovative inflatable frame and one-button automatic setup. The Sphere version offers around 7 square meters of space, accommodates 4 to 8 people, and inflates in about 5.5 minutes using the Gigapump 80. It features 3 doors, 3 mesh windows, a skylight, PU 5000mm waterproofing, and UPF 50+ protection. Crowdfunding prices started at $1,199 for the Sphere and $799 for the Moon version. AirCruiser. The AirCruiser is a self-assembling rooftop tent designed to make camping setup remarkably simple. Its inflatable airframe creates a spacious 2 to 3 person cabin, while the lightweight design weighs about 99 pounds. It features panoramic windows, dual skylights, integrated LED lighting, blackout curtains, and a 2-inch high-density mattress. The tent measures 83 by 51 by 57 inches when open. Current pricing is around $2,999, with the reservation pricing previously offered at $2,399. The CTAX. The CTAX is a rugged 4-in-1 rescue and camping multi-tool combining an axe blade, hammer, gas/water valve wrench, and pry bar. Made from durable 4140 steel, it measures about 18 inches and weighs roughly 5 pounds. Its compact design provides serious versatility for outdoor and emergency situations. The original crowdfunding price started at $149, while later pre-order pricing reached $249. Camping table. This innovative camping table is designed to keep your devices powered while you enjoy the outdoors. Created as a prototype, it combines a practical camp table with built-in charging capabilities, making it useful for phones and other electronics. The Indiegogo campaign launched with a $300,000 funding goal and a listed campaign price starting around $49. It's a clever concept for campers who want convenience without sacrificing portability. FlameCube. FlameCube is a compact, multifunctional outdoor cooking and heating system designed for campers who want more versatility from one device. Its cube-shaped design combines a wood-burning stove, grill, and fire pit with a stainless steel construction built for outdoor use. The original Indiegogo campaign offered early bird pricing from around $99. FlameCube is a smart space-saving option for cooking, warmth, and relaxing around the campfire. Traveler Camp. Traveler Camp is a clever 3-in-1 camping system combining an ultralight hammock, integrated mosquito net, and protective tarp. It offers a 275 by 140 centimeter sleeping area, supports up to 200 kilograms, weighs approximately 1.6 kilograms, and provides 3,000 millimeters water resistance. It can also function as a tarp or ground shelter. Originally launched through Indiegogo, its current retail price is around €200. Caveman. The Caveman is a featherweight foldable camping grill built for serious portability. Made from 5 precision-cut, food-safe metal pieces, it assembles in under 15 seconds, folds to less than 0.5 inches thick, and weighs about 2 pounds. Its 40 by 27.6 centimeters cooking surface can feed up to 8 people and works with charcoal, wood, pellets, or sticks. Crowdfunding pricing started around $99. ETROL Hammock. The ETROL Pelican is a versatile 3-in-1 camping hammock that works as a mosquito net hammock, traditional tree hammock, or ground tent. Made from lightweight nylon, it measures about 55 by 115 inches, weighs roughly 2.5 pounds, and supports up to 500 pounds. It includes aluminum support poles, tree straps, carabiners, and a storage bag. The current listed price is around $65. ENKEEO Lite. ENKEEO Lite is a compact 4-in-1 camping fan combining a fan, LED lantern, flashlight, and power bank in one portable device. It features a rechargeable 10,000 mAh battery, multiple fan speeds, adjustable lighting, and a built-in hook for easy tent mounting. The lightweight design makes it practical for camping and outdoor trips. Its original crowdfunding price started at around $39, making it an affordable multi-purpose companion. Vanguard. Vanguard is a compact connected security system designed to protect RVs, vans, and trailers. It combines GPS tracking, intrusion detection, motion sensing, and environmental monitoring, including temperature, humidity, air quality, and gas detection. The main unit measures just 77 by 62 by 26 millimeters and uses a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery. It supports LTE-M connectivity across Europe, the US, Canada, and more. Price €300. CampLight Pro. CampLight Pro is a smart outdoor lighting system featuring a 360-degree magnetic mount, memwave motion detection, app control, rechargeable battery, and integrated solar panel. It offers adjustable lighting, a snap-on diffuser, USB-C charging, and power bank functionality, while its rugged construction is designed for outdoor use. Kickstarter pricing started around €149, with an expected retail price near €199. It's a versatile upgrade for camping and overlanding. YUEDAO RoboLite. YUEDAO RoboLite is a versatile 5-in-1 camping light and power station, combining a spotlight, camping lamp, power bank, variable DC output, and AA/AAA battery charger. Its modular magnetic snap-fit system supports DC 5 to 30 volts input, with up to 150 watts per module and 300 watts maximum output. Designed for flexible off-grid use, RoboLite is listed as an upcoming Kickstarter project, with pricing not yet officially announced. SIDEKICKER. SIDEKICKER is a compact camping accessory from FXW designed to add practical storage and organization to outdoor setups. Its rugged construction and portable design make it useful for keeping essential camping items within easy reach. The Kickstarter project was created by FXW, but detailed specifications and current pricing are not reliably available from accessible sources, so I'd avoid quoting an unverified price. The campaign page provides the most accurate product information. LITY. LITY is a smart carbon monoxide detector designed specifically for camping, RVs, and outdoor safety. It provides real-time CO monitoring with audible and visual alerts, helping campers identify dangerous gas buildup before it becomes life-threatening. Its compact, portable design makes it easy to place inside tents, vehicles, or cabins. The Kickstarter campaign offered early bird pricing from around $39, making LITY an affordable safety upgrade for outdoor adventures. Tlyard PowerBridge Pro. Tlyard PowerBridge Pro turns a compatible EV into a portable power source for camping, outdoor work, and emergencies. It delivers up to 7,500 watts of pure sine AC power with 120 volts and 240 volts output options, depending on configuration. The system supports smart app monitoring and selected CCS-equipped EVs. The Kickstarter campaign averaged about $1,597 per backer, while current PowerBridge Pro pricing is around $1,899. Norse Foldable. The Norse Foldable is a genuine camp axe designed to pack like a pocket knife. It features a 111mm cutting edge, 3.8mm thick 14C28 NP VD coated steel, skeletonized G10 scales, and a crossbar lock with secondary safety. Weighing just 350 grams and folding to 207.4mm, it easily fits in a backpack. Kickstarter launch pricing starts at around €95, $110, versus a planned $175 retail price. CREN Versatile Camping Light. CREN is a versatile camping light that combines adjustable illumination with a built-in TWS Bluetooth speaker making it useful for both lighting and entertainment outdoors. Its portable design is suited to tents, campsites, and backyard adventures, while TWS pairing lets 2 units create stereo sound. The Indiegogo campaign offered early bird pricing from around $69. It's a clever all-in-one gadget for campers wanting light and music in one device. Space Acacia. Space Acacia is a 3-in-1 camping system combining an instant setup weatherproof tent, a 6-inch inflatable air floor, and a temperature-adjusting canopy. The 2 to 3 person version offers a comfortable elevated sleeping area, while the XL accommodates up to 6 people. The current system is listed at $1,050, while its original crowdfunding price started around $850. It's designed for rugged terrain, comfort, and versatile outdoor adventures.